Alright, y'all. Y'all see this? I mean, I'd have posted a video. But we out here doing a little running. Trying to get right for the field trial season or whatever. Been doing alright. Been placing at a few of them. But we just turned the dogs loose. So, I think we got a 10 pack out here. I'm going to let y'all know if they jump anything or whatever. We're going to see what they do. We're going to see. I'm going to get back with y'all when they get rolling, though. All right, y'all. We got a
cash call on running
10-4. We got a pack coming right here. I'm about to get in front of them.
Copy, Jared. 2 deal.
10-4. Hold on. Oh. About to show y'all how we do.
Got it, man.
They rolling them. Sino. Get to him, buddy. Feeling good? See which way they headed now. Going behind.
Let's all in the Fox Road, though.
Pack right here rolling. They're gonna do. They just crossed the road, y'all. They just crossed the road. Get ready to turn when they hit the road. They just crossed the road. They just crossed the road, Dick. I don't think they was running that one. Do it, boy. Look at that Mac Daddy. Look at that Mac Daddy. Oh, Repo got him. Oh, Mac got him. Come on here, Mac. Load up, Mac. Load up, Mac. Load up, Mac. They're gonna do that. 1, 2, 3. 2 deal. Somebody going the other way. There they go. JT. Chopper. think that's chopping. Oh, casino, man. There we go. Second turnout right here. I was stuck trying to get out of the box. Hey. Oh, he's stuck out in the box. They're gonna do. They're gonna do. They're gonna do. They're gonna do. They just crossed the back of the field. They're gonna do. 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 Come on here. Come on here, Karen. Hey, 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 hey. Come on here. Come on here. Come on here, Karen. Woo! Come on here.